Enzyme Wizard Urine is designed to specifically break down and remove all traces of animal and human urine. A powerful multi-enzyme formula that is pH neutral and safe for animals and people, yet 50% more concentrated than other brands. Enzymes are the only true way of eradicating difficult odours by removing them at the source. Our multi-enzyme urine product breaks down uric crystals while removing the urea components, resulting in elimination of odour and stain for good, for use on all hard surfaces indoors and out. Particularly effective in high-volume public venues such as sports stadiums or large gatherings of animals where build-up or oversaturation causes an issue. An extremely effective solution where domestic animals are causing a problem of strong odour around the home. For use on carpets, concrete, synthetic grass and urinals, for aged care and pet stains.